See, we are making Umeshu. Ume Liqueur. It's Ume is what? Plum? Japanese plum liqueur. It's called Umeshu, and it's a seasonal thing. We also make umeboshi out of them, and doesn't have to be green, doesn't have to be yellow or red. It can be any color. So the first step, we got these ume from my brother, so we're going to take these small bits out of ume, and we washed it with water, so now we just have to dry them. Good. Maybe a little bit more honey. It's the honey. I like to use honey because it tastes better. And I don't want to make it too sweet. It's 35 proof shochu. Okay. And then we just age this for about till next year. Okay, and that's it. It's not that difficult. And we get about 4 liters, about 1 gallon of umeshu.